Hello everybody, this is Shilmil. Welcome to my channel Beauty and Beyond. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how I have created this look. This is a very glamorous makeup look that I have created with the theBalm Voyage palette. This is the one. And I have concentrated more on plum smoky eyes, and for the lips I have kept everything muted, and I have opted for a very light lavender shade to go with the heavy smoky plum eyes. And this palette from theBalm Voyage palette is one of the best palettes, one of the most versatile palettes that I have used so far. It has a lot of eyeshadows. It has specifically 9 eyeshadows and 4 face makeup products. For example, there is one face powder. This is the one. Face powder. These are the eyeshadows, and this is the face powder or luminizer, and this is the bronzer, or you can also use it as contour. And these two are blushes, and also there are 2 lip shades. I am not that fond of these lip shades. I don't like the consistency of the lip shades, but other than that, I love this bronzer. It's called the Croissant. And then the luminizer is also very subtle. It gives a very subtle glow to the face. It can I will better describe it as a concealer kind of a thing than luminizer. It's called the Quaka Ribisha. And the blushes, the lighter shade is called Huang Wing, and the dark one is called Dobor Dosli. And the eyeshadows are really good. They are so pigmented. Some of the eyeshadows have a fall off issues, but other than that, most of them are very good. The deep palette, it's a very versatile palette. You can create a bright makeup look. You can go for blue smoky eyes, because there is a very beautiful blue shade called Welcome. This is Welcome, and this is Welcome. There is a highlighter shade which is called Welcome, and there is a very beautiful champagne gold shade which is called Bienvenue, and another shade which is I can say maybe a khaki kind of pearlescent shade, and this is called Bienvenue. Then there is a pastel shade which is a very beautiful pinkish kind of shade. It's called Benvenuto. And here is one neutral shade. This is called Turvetuloa. I'm not sure if I am pronouncing all these things correctly, because I am not aware of the pronunciation here, but I love the shades, that's it. And there is another shade called Willkommen, which is again a copper kind of a shade. A very pretty pearlescent plum shade, deep plum shade, which is called Willkommen. And a blackish glittery shade that is called Failed. So for this look, I had used this shade called Benvenuto, Turvetuloa, then Willkommen and Failte. And also I have highlighted my under eye area with this shade called Welcome. So these are the 5 shades with which I have created this look. And I have also used all these 4 face products from the palette, and I think they have done a very excellent job of giving this bold and smoky glamorous look that I have created today. So if you are interested to see how I have created the look, please keep on watching the video. And also one more thing, if you want to buy this palette, you can log on to notino.co.uk or notino.com and you will get the product in a very good price over there. So yes, without further delay, let's carry on. My glamorous look with the Balm Voyage 2 palette. Hope you have liked the video. If you have liked the video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.